Hi there. How are you? My name is Rosa. Nice to meet you. My surname is Sanchez Riva. I speak Spanish and English. I come from Colombia. I really like to ride my bike around London. Are you curious? I can tell you more, if you want. I live and work in London. I am 20 years old and I work as a cleaner, but I study to be a nurse. Currently, I work in Liverpool Street and clean offices near the station. I work from Monday to Friday. I finish work at 10 a.m. and I have the weekend off. Every Sunday I like to go to the park. If it is sunny, I like to ride my bike. My brother and I are very close. When it's not raining, we like to play outdoor. My brother and I like to play together. His name is Lucas. He is 17 and he likes to play football with his friends. I like to play football too, but I prefer to ride on a skateboard. I am a very happy person. I also like to run, dance and jump the rope. This is my house. On Sunday we like to eat dinner together with our family. Mum and Dad like to watch the news on TV. My brother and I don't like the news because they are sad and boring. We only like to watch movies and listen to music. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. To the next.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.